right, what is up, everybody? This is Brandon at Frazzell Guitars here. We are coming back at you. So we got the 175 on the bench with the headstock break. So next, we got an array of good guitars, or instruments, I should say. We've got this Schecter bass, and customer brought it in and changed the batteries out because it's active pickups. It's got two, and there's no sound. He's tried everything in the world, no sound. So we're going to go through there. We got this Guild 12 string with a bridge reglue on it, which is pretty cool. We've got a bass here, and then we got a Fender custom shop in for a setup tweak. And then we've got one to build and put together. So, yeah. And painted. Then back here, we got some amps to work on. And then we've got this beautiful, stunning Hummingbird or Dove Pro Epiphone that is missing the nuts for the M-pin jack. So we got to get that fixed, get it set up, get it cleaned, all the above, and yeah, pretty much it. Because she's duddy. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we got going on now. All builds are kind of stopped at the moment, so we're working on all that stuff, updates. Then I was seeing if there's anything up here. And then there is a guitar for a level crown and polish. So, yeah. We've got all that good stuff. And then, of course, this 175. And, of course, the store full of guitars. But we'll have more to come back at you a little bit later with some things. We'll probably go in depth of maybe one of the amps we repair. I mean, a lot of beautiful stuff. So the headstock broke. We're working on fixing the finish now. So that's pretty much where we are with this guitar. And yeah, so beautiful Guild. It's a really sexy guitar. 12 string. One of these cases are my personal. The other one goes to that 1974. And so, yeah. So, I mean, the shop's a little dirty, more dirty than I want it to be right now. But definitely back here with some fun stuff. Don't mind the amp on the floor. That's setting on something. We moved it down for a minute. But, yeah. So that's pretty much what we got going on now. Thanks for watching.